Hi, is the total collapse in the markets, my friends. You are witnessing here live at stockmarketlive.tv. Today we have new lows in the tech sector. The Q's power shares at 102 and 42 cents. So the call that I made last year to sell everything at 115 and 70 cents, published live to the blog, made available to you as a subscriber. I repeat, selling everything at 115 and 70 cents and reverse into the short side, betting on the collapse. Today you have a new lows in 2016. The Q's tech sector selling the most important companies in the world, downgrading Apple to strong sell, the collapse, the crash, announcing for the first time in the past 8 years selling 1% of a long position in Amazon, going short the stock to hold, alright? This is the first time in the past 8 years. This was done a couple of weeks ago at $689, $694. Today you have Amazon at $585. The news are today on the newspapers. Amazon huge earnings miss to cause a stock market crash. It is not my responsibility, it is yours. I told you you should have sold Amazon while Wall Street was upgrading. But this has been available for a long period of time, and we told you in every single company in US the company when to sell, when to go short, and we also published the stock forecast when we had to do it in due time, always at a top and never after the crash. You always sell stocks at the top, and if you want to sell short, you sell short stocks the most ahead of a crash and not after shares they plunge. So I'm very happy because this announcement was made a long time ago. We are in the crash of more than 100 companies in the US stock market. In China, the same situation. And today you have, for example, ahead of earnings, other company down more than 10% today. Other company that Wall Street was raising targets yesterday and before yesterday. Shares they were trading at $72. Today you have Valero at $63.50. Stock market crash, collapse 10% overnight in Valero. So yesterday I was saying if you have a long position in Valero, sell immediately at $72 ahead of earnings, okay? You don't know what the company is going to say, so better sell while Wall Street is upgrading. Goldman Sachs was upgrading, you remember this, First Solar to strong buy, $100 price target. Shares they were trading at 72 on Goldman Sachs news. And I said, sell everything, go short. You have today First Solar at $61 an hour. My friends, these are some of the high momentum stocks on the exchange. High momentum stocks because if we are going to talk about, for example, junk ratings at Vieira trading, junk ratings, this one is an example. Acadia Pharmaceuticals, junk rating, market top $52. This company is a scam, a fraud. Sell short the most in the past 100 years. You have Acadia Pharmaceuticals at $23.39. You want more? Friends, you had plenty of time to sell Acadia Pharmaceuticals. This is one of the biggest stock market scams in history. I told you, you have articles more than 8 months long, I believe, in the blog of the company. What else? There are plenty of stock picks, my friends, plans to make $500 million in the markets. And I'm not joking. The calls are made, published and recorded live. So, or you are there, or you are not there. If you are Carl Icahn, you have Freeport McMoran at $3.74, my friends. This is terrific. $3.74. Strong buy at Carl Icahn Enterprises at $17, my friends. And at Morgan Stanley, overweight ratings with $28 price target. And this was 8 months ago. It is $3.74. There is no button, my friends. There is no button. All right, the queue's now at 101.97 live. Let's see where is Amazon. Oh shit, my friends, 583. Oh shit, record profits 2016 here live. All right, and so which was the best stock market performer today? Up 22%. It was this company that I announced, and also free call for those that they are not subscribers, if you wanted to take some profits at $47. This CyberArk software. So here you have $47 to reduce the size of long position. You can always buy back if you want and use trailing stops. Very important, my friends. Don't buy at 47. You had the opportunity to buy yesterday at 37 when I told you ahead of the announcement to do it, my friends. So why to buy at 47 if you had yesterday shares at 37? I mean, it appears that it's like Goldman Sachs. All right, and so we are going to publish more than 100 case studies. We made calls in everything, absolutely everything, every stock market sector, every company, everything. So don't forget that you are going to have Valero earnings. So this is very important, Valero earnings. Today down more than 10%. The cousin, this company here, Tesoro, okay, other company that yesterday it was trading above $100. Oh, $100 above $100, my friend, sell. Today you have less 10% is guaranteed. Is the meltdown. Sell everything, my friends. Sell everything. You don't know what is going to happen, so sell everything ahead of the crash always, my friends, because everyone is betting billions in the crash, and I told you about this. So, my friends, this is the crash, is guaranteed, the collapse, and here you have a new low in Amazon. And this, I repeat, the best, the high momentum stocks on the exchange, because, for example, the case of Netflix, we downgrade Netflix to strong sell. December article, $132. We told you, sell Netflix, $132. We already knew that the news about Netflix, they were going to come up about, the Netflix worldwide presence and, all this stuff. But, a couple of years ago, I told you about it. A couple of years ago, I told you about this. So why to buy Netflix at 142? And in December, they were buying Netflix at 142. So you have a real-time article on the blog of the company, saying, sell Netflix 142 and go short the stock. With regards to one of my darlings that I like very much, the case of Tesla Motors, I said the price target for this stock is 237 to 243. Last day of 2015, shares they traded to 243. Sell. Where is the sell? I didn't upgrade the stock. I didn't raise targets. That was Wall Street. That was last year. Credit Suisse raising targets in Tesla Motors when shares they were trading at $285. And at $285, above at that price, $280, we were saying sell short Tesla Motors, and shares they collapsed. So where is the surprise? You always do the opposite of what stock analysts they say. You have the highest level of fraud in Wall Street Ponzi stock ratings. I already told you this about Yelp. Yelp other junk rating at stockmarketlive.tv. Junk rating, my friends, is not sell or strong sell. It is junk. Junk, it is junk. All right? Cons. You want more? Cons. Junk. Junk, it is junk. It is new all-time lows. All right? Guaranteed, my friends. Thank you, and don't forget about using trailing stops and your brain is the most important tool in the world. If you have one. Bye-bye.